plus 47 pips. That's 1.72% profit. Please remember to hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll get the heads up as and when I post these videos. Let's get straight over to the charts. Okay, a little late getting the video started today. Seen some price action, quite a bit going on at the moment, which is why I'm late getting the video started. But time's now 27 minutes past 8 London time. Took a couple of early trades on the Australian dollar, US dollar, got in this short, taking it at 17, looking for further downside movement. The Australian dollar, Japanese yen, another trade I got in at 94, again looking for that continuation of a further downside movement. And New Zealand dollar, US dollar, took this at 9. Price is pretty much where I got into this. And again, looking for further downside movement. Just sorting a few things out and we're going to get the video started, and then this kicked off. The pound pair started to move off, and pound Japanese yen hit our criteria where I could get in a momentum trade. Took the pound Japanese yen at 38, and the pound US dollar exactly the same. Took this on a momentum trade. Got in this one at 33. Looking for this further upside movement. Got my take profit up at 80 on this one at the moment, and the pound Japanese yen up at 80 on that as well. Looking for it to push through that previous day's high up towards that. And also, just seen a little while ago, just seen an entry point on the euro US dollar. So I've taken this long, looking for further upside movement on that. Take profits up at 20 at the moment. 8 pip stop loss. So that's where I am right now. Currently holding 6 trades, so I'm fully loaded. Not really interested in taking anything else right now. 6 open trades are usually my maximum, unless I see like a massive move across the board on certain pairs or something. But yeah, I'll just hold on to those 6 pairs for now. Keep monitoring these. I'll pause the video for now, and I'll be back in a little while to give you an update and let you know how these trades are playing out. Back soon. Okay, back with a quick update. These pound pairs, seeing them moving up, bit of a pullback on that last candle. Starting to move into profit again. I've seen them break the 10 pip profit threshold for me to lock in break even. It's a little bit early, it's a little bit aggressive, but trading these pound pairs at the moment, you've really got to be ultra cautious and cut your risk down as much as possible, because we've seen so many reversals on them, spiking in both directions, lots of whipsawing price action. So I'd rather come out of this break even rather than seeing this taking a dive, obviously. So locked in break even on the pound US dollar, done the same with the pound Japanese yen again, seeing that moving into profit, trying to push through that 50 level there. If it gets through that, looking for it to move up, hopefully through that previous day's high up towards that 80. Looking for this big, strong move to continue. So that's where we are on the pound pairs. Euro, US dollar, not looking to go. It's pulled back out again. Okay, last time I glanced at this had dropped way back within this area here, below where I actually got in, but it's starting to recover again now. So see how this plays out on the over the next 4 minutes on this candle. So that's the euro US dollar. Pound pairs we've done. Australian dollar US dollar, nothing spectacular there, just seeing it pull back a bit. As is the Australian dollar Japanese yen, not a great deal going on there either. And New Zealand dollar US dollar, seeing that starting to push into a little bit of profit now. So that's where we are right now, and I'll pause again, and as usual be back with an update for you if I see anything else to let you know about. Okay, pause for now. Okay, so we're really starting to see these pound pairs moving now. Not sure what the euro's doing. No, euro's doing nothing, so it's all about the pound at the moment. Locked in 10 pips on the pound US dollar. Pound Japanese yen, locked in 10 pips on that, just below that 50 level. I actually punched out of the euro US dollar trade as price didn't push out of a level that I needed it to, and I'm down 1 pip at the moment, so still not bad. Still holding 5 trades. Got those pound pairs that I'm holding, and they're pushing up nicely. Australian dollar pair still holding there, but they're still a little bit in the red, not showing a great deal. And the New Zealand dollar US dollar, very small amount of profit on that. Okay, so it's about these pound pairs at the moment. Just going to have to manage these, concentrate on these, so I'll pause the video and I'll let you know how things turn out. Okay, so back to show you that I've punched out of these pound trades, happy with the results I've got today. Plus, I'm doing something in the New York session today. I'm working a one-on-one session with one of the members. So it's nice to be able to get out with a good profit today, nice and quickly. and it'll give me a chance to chill out and relax before I actually trade the New York session later today. So out of those pound pairs, punched out of both of those, that price has continued to push up nice and strong. The Australian dollar pairs punched out of those two. New Zealand dollar, US dollar got out of that one as well. Okay, I'll flick over to the results page and give you the rundown of what I did and how many pips I came away with today, what the profit was like. So a roundup of this morning's session. Very fast session for me. I had no open positions before I started the live trade plan with the Price Action Traders Institute members, and came out of that. I actually took my first trade around about 8 o'clock, so it was pretty much on the London, just after 8 o'clock. It was just as London was opening, and I was out of everything by 9 o'clock, so 1 hour trading, and managed to pull a reasonable profit. Wasn't a great deal happening, but suddenly we saw the pound pairs taking off. Japanese yen started to move as well, but that was a little bit after I'd finished. But it was these pound pairs really that did it for me. I was down 1 pip. Had a couple of other trades on. The Australian dollar pairs I had on, and the New Zealand dollar pair I had on. They just weren't doing a great deal at all, but suddenly those pounds started to move, showing strength. Got in those as momentum trades and managed to take 26 pips off of each one. So there you go, winning trades there, losing trades there, ended up with plus 47 pips. That works out to 1.72% profit. If you'd like to find out more about the way that we trade at the Price Action Traders Institute, some links in the description box just below this video. So take a look at those and come over and have a look at what we do and consider joining us. Okay, that's all for this video. I'll close down now. Please remember to hit subscribe and the notification bell, and you'll know as and when I post these new videos. Thanks very much for watching.